Hello students. Today we will learn an important arithmetic concept called the unitary method. This method helps us find the value of many units by first calculating the value of one unit. It is widely used in problems related to cost, quantity, speed, time, and work. The unitary method is a mathematical technique used to find the value of a quantity by first finding the value of one unit. This method is commonly used in arithmetic to solve problems related to cost, quantity, speed, distance, time, and work. By finding the value of one unit first, we can easily calculate the value of any number of units. The word unitary comes from the word unit, which means one. The unitary method works into simple steps. First, we find the value of one unit. Second, we use that value to find the value of the required number of units. Let us understand with an example. If 5 apples cost 50 rupees, then the cost of one apple will be 50 divided by 5, which equals 10 rupees. Now to find the cost of 8 apples, we multiply 10 by 8. So the total cost becomes 80 rupees. The unitary method mainly works in two types of relationships between quantities. The first is direct variation, also called direct proportion. The second is inverse variation, also called inverse proportion. Understanding these two types helps us solve different types of problems correctly. In direct variation, when one quantity increases, the other quantity also increases. Similarly, when one quantity decreases, the other also decreases. For example, if the number of items increases, the total cost also increases. Another example is distance and time, when speed remains constant. Suppose 7 pens cost 84 rupees. First we find the cost of 1 pen. 84 divided by 7 equals 12 rupees. Now for 15 pens, we multiply 12 by 15. The total cost becomes 180 rupees. In inverse variation, when one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases. For example, if more workers are working on a task, the time required becomes less. Similarly, if the speed increases, the time taken to travel a distance decreases. Let us see an example. If 6 workers complete a job in 12 days, the total work becomes 6 multiplied by 12, which equals 72 worker days. If 8 workers perform the same work, the number of days becomes 72 divided by 8. So the work will be completed in 9 days. The unitary method is widely used in many mathematical situations. It helps us solve problems related to cost and quantity, time and work, speed, distance and time, and also ratio and proportion. Because of this, it is an important concept in arithmetic. If 3 kilograms of sugar cost 120 rupees, then the cost of 1 kilogram becomes 120 divided by 3, which equals 40 rupees. Now for 7 kilograms, we multiply 40 by 7. So the total cost becomes 280 rupees. Students, today we understood the concept of the unitary method, its types, and its applications. By first finding the value of one unit, we can easily calculate the value of many units. This method is very useful in solving many real-life mathematical problems. Keep practicing to strengthen your understanding. Jai Hind!